Welcome back to Ha Thanh channel. I'm Ha Thanh. In episode 13, we will conquer 50 practical phrases for 2 very exciting situations. First, situation 11, job interview mastering self-introductions, answering skill and salary questions, and closing the interview professionally. Second, situation 12, at a coffee shop helping you order drinks, customize your coffee, and chat in a cafe atmosphere with ease. Let's get started. Situation 11, job interview. Part 1, introduction and experience. Tell me a little bit about yourself. Tell me a little bit about yourself. Tell me a little bit about yourself. I have 5 years of experience. I have 5 years of experience. I have 5 years of experience. I am a hard worker. I am a hard worker. I am a hard worker. What are your greatest strengths? What are your greatest strengths? What are your greatest strengths? Why do you want to work for this company? Why do you want to work for this company? Why do you want to work for this company? Can you handle working under pressure? Can you handle working under pressure? Can you handle working under pressure? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. I stay calm in stressful situations. I stay calm in stressful situations. I stay calm in stressful situations. What is your educational background? What is your educational background? What is your educational background? Part 2, skills and goals. Do you prefer working alone or in a team? Do you prefer working alone or in a team? Do you prefer working alone or in a team? I enjoy teamwork. I enjoy teamwork. I enjoy teamwork. I am very independent. I am very independent. I am very independent. What are your long-term career goals? What are your long-term career goals? What are your long-term career goals? How do you handle conflict at work? How do you handle conflict at work? How do you handle conflict at work? Why did you leave your previous job? Why did you leave your previous job? Why did you leave your previous job? Are you willing to travel for work? Are you willing to travel for work? Are you willing to travel for work? Part 3, salary and benefits. What are your salary expectations? What are your salary expectations? What are your salary expectations? I am flexible. I am flexible. I am flexible. Around 50,000 a year. Around 50,000 a year. Around 50,000 a year. Does this position include health insurance? Does this position include health insurance? Does this position include health insurance? What are the working hours? What are the working hours? What are the working hours? Is there an opportunity for promotion? Is there an opportunity for promotion? Is there an opportunity for promotion?
When can you start?
When can you start? When can you start?
Immediately.
Immediately. Immediately.
I need to give 2 weeks' notice.
I need to give 2 weeks' notice. I need to give 2 weeks' notice.
Part 4, asking the interviewer, do you have any questions for us?
Do you have any questions for us? Do you have any questions for us?
What does a typical day look like in this role?
What does a typical day look like in this role? What does a typical day look like in this role?
How do you measure success in this position?
How do you measure success in this position? How do you measure success in this position?
What is the company culture like?
What is the company culture like? What is the company culture like?
What are the next steps in the process?
What are the next steps in the process? What are the next steps in the process?
Part 5, closing. I look forward to hearing from you.
I look forward to hearing from you. I look forward to hearing from you.
Thank you for your time today.
Thank you for your time today. Thank you for your time today.
It was a pleasure meeting you.
It was a pleasure meeting you. It was a pleasure meeting you.
Can I have your business card?
Can I have your business card? Can I have your business card?
I am very interested in this opportunity.
I am very interested in this opportunity. I am very interested in this opportunity.
Situation 12, at a coffee shop. Part 1, ordering drinks. What would you like to drink?
What would you like to drink? What would you like to drink?
I'll have a latte.
I'll have a latte. I'll have a latte.
Just a black coffee, please.
Just a black coffee, please. Just a black coffee, please.
Can I get a cappuccino to go?
Can I get a cappuccino to go? Can I get a cappuccino to go?
Would you like any sugar or milk?
Would you like any sugar or milk? Would you like any sugar or milk?
I'd like a cold brew with extra ice.
I'd like a cold brew with extra ice. I'd like a cold brew with extra ice.
What is your specialty coffee today?
What is your specialty coffee today? What is your specialty coffee today?
Part 2, size and customization. What sizes do you have?
What sizes do you have? What sizes do you have?
Small, medium, and large.
Small, medium, and large. Small, medium, and large.
Can I have soy milk instead of regular milk?
Can I have soy milk instead of regular milk? Can I have soy milk instead of regular milk?
Make it decaf, please.
Make it decaf, please. Make it decaf, please.
Is this drink very sweet?
Is this drink very sweet? Is this drink very sweet?
I'd like a double shot of espresso.
I'd like a double shot of espresso. I'd like a double shot of espresso.
Part 3, Food and Atmosphere. Do you have any pastries?
Do you have any pastries? Do you have any pastries?
Yes, we have croissants.
Yes, we have croissants. Yes, we have croissants.
Is there free Wi-Fi here?
Is there free Wi-Fi here? Is there free Wi-Fi here?
What is the Wi-Fi password?
What is the Wi-Fi password? What is the Wi-Fi password?
Can I plug in my laptop here?
Can I plug in my laptop here? Can I plug in my laptop here?
Is this seat taken?
Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken?
Part 4, Payment. How much is it?
How much is it? How much is it?
Do you accept credit cards?
Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards?
Keep the change.
Keep the change. Keep the change.
Can I have a receipt, please?
Can I have a receipt, please? Can I have a receipt, please?
I'll pay by cash.
I'll pay by cash. I'll pay by cash.
Part 5, Other Interactions. Where is the restroom?
Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom?
Could I have some more napkins?
Could I have some more napkins? Could I have some more napkins?
The coffee is delicious.
The coffee is delicious. The coffee is delicious.
Can you heat this up for me?
Can you heat this up for me? Can you heat this up for me?
Have a great day, you too.
Have a great day, you too. Have a great day, you too.
That's the wrap for episode 13. Ha Thanh hopes these 50 phrases will help you ace your next job interview and enjoy your coffee time abroad with absolute confidence. Keep practicing every day to see your progress. Thank you for supporting at Ha Thanh VN. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye. Bye. Bye.